The traditional Korean cuisine has several strange ways to taste the food. If you usually enjoy living an unusual experience, you should eat Sanakiho. But what is this exactly? Well, it's just a live small octopus called nakhi that has been cut into small pieces and served immediately. Korean cooks usually season it with sesame or sesame oil, but anyway, the experience could be a little bit disgusting to some people. The main reason is that you might feel the little piece screaming on your plate and on your tongue. That is why you must be careful, because the suction cups on your octopus arm can stick to your mouth or your throat, and you can become chopped up. Apart from that, eating octopus is quite good for the human metabolism. In Sanakhi, we can find a lot of useful nutrients, but maybe the most important is the iodine, a substance that helps us to normalize our energy and our cholesterol levels.
Bugs. Entomophagy is a diet based on the intake of insects and is quite common in a lot of parts of the world, such as Central America, South America, Asia, Australia, and Africa, with the exception of Europe and North America. Main consuming insects are China, Thailand, India, Japan, Mexico, Chile, Uruguay, Morocco, and Egypt, as well as a lot of other tropical countries. It's very typical to find vendors selling fried grasshoppers, crickets, scorpions, spiders, and worms on the streets of Bangkok. Approximately 2 million species of insects are edible according to FAO. Most of these insects are consumed when they are larvae, but some can also be consumed as adults. Insects are high in protein and apparently consist of important fatty acids and vitamins. Various sources agree in that while the meat from domestic livestock has between 25 and 15 proteins, in insects this figure rises to 75 and are presented in more digestible state.
Durian. It's a tree of about 25 meters in height, native to Southeast Asia. It's in Thailand and some other places. Durian has a green and thorny base and the inside is yellow. It has an intense and pleasant taste, creamy texture, and a very strong smell. Durian is probably the most polarizing fruit in the world. You either hate its smell or love it. The smell has been compared to everything from almonds to dirty gin sauce. This fruit is usually eaten raw, although the seed can be fried because they are edible. The seed can use to prepare cakes or ice cream too. In Asia, it is considered an aphrodisiac fruit. In addition, the root, bark, and leaf are used in popular medicine. It itself contains high amount of sugar, vitamin C, and potassium.
See pupa. Vendetti, which means chrysalis or pupa in Korean, is eaten as a popular snack in Korea. Vendetti are often served by street vendors as well as in restaurants and drinking establishments. Also, they are sold in cans in grocery stores and convenience stores. but they must be boiled in water before serving. It's not always sold in the market and is usually sold from street vendors, although it's possible to buy the live variants for personal preparations. Served boiled and seasoned, the pupa are good source of high quality protein.
Balut. Balut is a Philippine dish. It is known by some people as egg with leg. It consists of boiling fertilized eggs that contain an embryo of chicken, with pens, legs and other organs, and of consuming them directly from the rind. The eggs are savored for the balance of the texture and flavors. The broth surrounding the embryo is stripped from the eggs before the shell is spilled, and the yolk and young chick inside can be eaten. In the Philippines, balut eaters prefer salt and chill garlic and vinegar. Nutrition and flavor, it is a staple for people working late in the night or coming home in the wee hours in the morning. It is also said that balut can boost male fertility and libido.